Say it.
Apple is crypto's biggest wild card. Crypto applications for iPhone could attract more than 1 billion new users. I wasn't trying to trigger you, Will. Like, I promise. That wasn't my intent here.
Well, you did.
Oh, man.
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, man. Listen, I just think, and by the way, this is an opinion piece on Bloomberg. They are kind of right. Like, there's tons of money to be made in crypto. Everybody's going to crypto. All these professionals want to work in crypto. People throwing around Web3 terms and all the rest of it. Apple gotten kind of more involved in the financial world, relationships with Goldman Sachs, the Apple Card, kind of getting closer, the significance of Apple Pay, using your phone to pay for things. You can kind of imagine, like, there seems to be pieces, connections there. You pay for everything with your phone anyways. They own the hardware. But here's my thing. It's like, I know that certain crypto people would read this and think this is going to be huge for Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever. Pick your coin. But and this is purely speculation. Apple hasn't historically been in a rush to do universal things like the Lightning connector, let's say, where they've been presented with an opportunity to do something exclusive or something that contributes to exclusive ecosystem. They usually take that avenue. And so when I read Apple being crypto's biggest wild card, I say, okay, yes, but maybe in a different way than the typical crypto head would prefer. Maybe in an Apple exclusive way in which everything is tied up and wrapped up inside of their ecosystem, somehow connected to maybe even an exclusive app at some point, secured by their neural engine inside of their enclave.
I was just going to say that.
Enclave?
Like a crypto enclave.
You can imagine it. And they could do a proprietary version where your iPhone becomes the only thing you trust, and you can have some sort of hardware protections around it. I'm not saying it's a good thing, by the way, because
I agree.
Crypto types, crypto enthusiasts would tell you that's the worst case scenario. They would want it to remain the way it is, which is relatively decentralized. With Apple, I believe that would be a hard thing to achieve, and it might lack some of the attributes that people love about crypto. But nonetheless, I would imagine that Apple is considering these things, investing in these things, hiring around these things, and starting to figure out how an implementation might look for them.
Well, we'll see.